Handling events in the React. In this video, we are going to learn how to handle events in React. Events are how we respond to user actions like clicks, typing, or submitting a form. Let's dive in. In plain HTML and JavaScript, you may have written something like this. Button on click is equal to handle click, click me button close. But in React, event handling looks little different and a lot cleaner. Here is the same idea in React. Button on click is equal to handle click in the braces click me button close. Notice two big differences. First, the event name is camel case on click not on click. Second, instead of a string, you pass a functional reference using curly braces. Let's look at a real example. Here is a functional component that handles a button click. Function handle click alert button clicked. Function app return button on click is equal to handle click in the braces click me button close. Now when the user clicks the button, the handle click function runs and shows an alert. That's the basic idea of handling events in React. Sometimes you want to pass extra data to event handler. You can do that with the arrow function. Button on click is equal to handle click Sumaya greet button close. This allows you to call your handler with specific values or arguments. You can also handle events from input fields. Here is how to capture what the user types. Function handle change event console.log event.target.value. Input type is equal to text on change handle change. React gives you access to the event object so you can get the value of the input or stop the default behavior of forms. For example, to stop form from reloading the page on submit, function handle submit event.prevent default alert form submitted. You attach this to your form on submit handle submit button type is equal to submit button close form close. Now here is something powerful. You can pass event handlers as props to your custom components. This makes your components reusable. Example function button on click label return button on click is equal to on click in the braces label close the button and use it like this. Button on click is equal to handle click in the braces label is equal to click me. The button component doesn't know what the handle click does. It just runs when it is clicked. That's how you keep logic and representation separate, which is a key idea in React. Let's summarize. React uses camel case for event names like onClick, onChange, and onSubmit. Event handlers are functions, not strings. You can pass arguments using arrow functions, use event.prevent default to stop form reloads, and you can pass handlers as props to reusable components.